Hi everyone, I'm Trish and today we'll be testing 3 different brands of frozen Japanese gyoza. Gyoza is very similar to other Chinese style pot stickers like jiaozi or guotie, except they tend to be a little smaller and more delicate. Its filling is a mixture of finely minced chicken or pork with some vegetables like Chinese cabbage or chives. Gyozas can be steamed, boiled, or pan-fried, which makes them versatile and convenient as a great snack or as part of a meal. So let's take a look at them now. Now the first brand is Fairprice. Its Chive dumplings cost $6.55 for 675 grams worth of dumplings. Even though it doesn't say so on its packaging, these dumplings don't contain meat. Instead, it features soybean curd, chives, spring onions, cabbage, radish, garlic, ginger, and some spices. Next is the CP brand of pork and chicken gyoza with chives, which costs $6.50 for 407 grams or 20 pieces of dumplings in a pack. Its fillings also contain additional ingredients, nutrients, and flavors coming from fermented rice and mallow leaves. It also comes with 1 sachet of dipping sauce, which contains fried garlic, red chili, soy sauce, and vinegar. Last but not least is Seawaves Chinese Chive dumplings for $7.25 for 675 grams worth of dumplings. Just like Fairprice, these dumplings don't contain meat. Now what I like most about the Seawaves brand is its resealable packaging, which makes it easier to store in the freezer. Now before I follow the packet instruction to cook the different gyoza in a pan, I'm going to prepare a simple Thai-style noodle salad with rice vermicelli or bihun and sweet chili sauce. Now that can be made in advance and kept in the fridge until the gyozas are cooked and ready to be served. Let's get to it. First, I prepare 125 grams of rice noodles according to its pack instructions. Then I add 1 cucumber that I've sliced into thin strips, 150 grams of cherry tomatoes that I've halved, 4 finely chopped spring onions, 60 grams of roughly chopped roasted salted peanuts. Then I add the sweet chili sauce, which contains a mixture of 8 tablespoons lime juice, 4 tablespoons fish sauce, 4 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, and 2 finely chopped red chilies. Lastly, I add a handful of coriander and mint leaves before giving the noodle salad a good toss until everything is well mixed. This recipe is just nice for 2. Fairprice's pack instruction for pan frying is simple. Fry defrosted dumplings on a preheated non-stick pan for 3 to 4 minutes till the bottom is golden brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of water around the dumplings, cover the pan with a lid, and cook for another 1 minute. The CP brand's pack instruction calls for 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in a non-stick pan before adding the dumplings. Cook over medium heat until the bottom is golden brown before adding 1/3 cup of water and cover to cook for 5 minutes. Now Seawaves' instruction is the same as Fairprice. That is to fry defrosted dumplings on a preheated non-stick pan for 3 to 4 minutes till the bottom is golden brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of water around the dumplings, cover the pan with a lid, and cook for 1 minute. Now Fairprice chive dumplings are delicate and mild. Although it doesn't contain meat, the soybean curd that's mixed into the filling acts like a meat alternative, which actually makes it taste meaty. Now I like to taste more of the chives, but otherwise it goes well with the sweet chili sauce that's in the noodle salad. Now, admittedly, the CP brand's Chinese chive dumplings has an advantage over the others because it's been cooked in oil, which makes it tastier. It's the biggest in size, contains a few more ingredients, and it's also sweeter than the others, which may be popular among younger taste buds. I think the CP gyoza is tasty enough to be eaten on its own without any dipping sauce. Lastly, Seawaves Chinese chive dumplings. Honestly, I couldn't tell the difference between Fairprice and Seawaves Chinese chive dumplings. You can probably see that Seawaves dumplings have more filling than Fairprice, but beyond that, both brands taste alike and both brands are perfect additions to this Thai-style noodle salad. Now, I really hope you like that simple noodle salad with gyoza recipe. As you can see, the versatile gyoza is a great addition to a salad, but it's also delicious as a snack on its own. If you'd like us to test any foods or recipes, let us know by leaving a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Singapore Women's Weekly for more taste tests and recipes. Thank you all for watching and see you later. Bye!